Hello friends, I'm Gina Green, your wellness coach and essential oils mentor. Welcome back to our channel. I am so excited to embark on this 30-day sleep challenge with you. As we step into this initial week, we'll begin a journey towards better sleep through integrating natural solutions and discovering how to get into a good sleep routine. This series isn't just about sharing sleep tips. It's about building a community where we collectively seek ways to enhance our sleep naturally. Consider this series a guide, anchored in practicality and authenticity. And remember, we're on this wellness journey together, figuring out what will work best for each of us. So before we dive into this video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you'll be notified of upcoming videos in this series. And as a special gift to you, there's a link in the description below for a workbook to guide you on your wellness journey. Just click the link for your free download. I want to start by being real with you about my own experiences and sleepless nights. Despite actually knowing what I need to do for a good night's sleep, I still find myself standing at the pantry door for late night snacking, and I have yet to establish a consistent sleep routine. My hope is by being accountable to our community during this 30-day challenge, through sharing weekly progress and natural solutions, that you'll be encouraged to embark on your own sleep journey and share in the comments what's working for you as you discover natural solutions and implement new sleep routine habits. Now I want to spend a moment sharing the importance of laying a strong foundation for improved sleep. This foundation starts with cultivating good sleep hygiene. So, what is good sleep hygiene? It's said that sleep hygiene is a set of practices and habits that promote a good night's sleep and overall sleep quality, which includes things like maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a comfortable sleep environment, and adopting bedtime rituals to optimize your sleep-wake cycle. With a clearer understanding of sleep hygiene, I want to share a few of the challenges I will face, and you may face too. First is maintaining a consistent sleep schedule because I know it wreaks havoc on my energy levels. Even last night, I was awake till midnight. So, creating a consistent sleep schedule is something I'm eager to try. And while there are various sleep apps out there to track sleep, for me, just simply writing down what time I go to bed and what time I get up will be my tracking method. Second is optimizing my bedroom environment, which is said to be a critical aspect in sleep hygiene. I have to say that my bedroom is currently a chaotic space, especially because I have to share it with my office space. So I'm planning to declutter and start creating a calming environment to see how it affects my sleep. Lastly is optimizing my bedtime routine. I'm ready to explore a few sleep or meditation apps, finding what soothes my mind before I go to sleep. I heard it's actually like a lullaby for your thoughts, and that's exactly what I need. Along with facing some of these challenges, there are a few challenges to my bedroom routine I want to start, like diffusing some new essential oil blends that help to fall asleep, steering clear of screen time before bed, mm, and maybe even enjoying a cup of warm herbal tea. As we embark on this sleep challenge journey together, we'll be exploring natural sleep helpers for deeper sleep, learning how to break some bad sleep habits, and discovering ongoing sleep maintenance tips. I am eager to try this challenge and see how it helps me, and potentially you, find peace before drifting into a restful sleep. The journey to better sleep is a personal one, and it's okay to face challenges along the way. Every small step we make adds up, making significant difference in the quality of our sleep. Let's support each other, try new things, and make these nights the best they can be. Our journey to better sleep is just beginning, so sleep peacefully, and I'll see you in the next video.